So, we're in the middle of a snowstorm right now, so I figured I'd take this opportunity to show you what it's like to be in a snowstorm, because you are in Egypt and you have never experienced snow. So, it's horrible, it's wet, it's cold. It makes driving difficult. Here's some cars. This is my office. All the buildings look the same. Snow on my feet. Lots of snow. This is a snowstorm. It's cold and it's wet. And if you have it for more than 3 months, you want it to go away. You have to move it because it gets in the way of everything. 3 minutes since I went outside. And the most inconvenient thing about snow is you work so hard to move it, and then in 3 minutes, you have to move it again. Those are my tracks from 3 minutes ago, completely filled in with snow. Because it's cold. This is a snowstorm. It is very cold and very windy, and the snow is very wet. There's people driving. Lots of snow. And in about 20 minutes, this little path I'm walking on will be full of snow again, and then that truck will have to come back through here and move it all over again. There's the guy plowing, coming through, pushing the snow around. It's very cool. It's like a giant snow shovel. So, now you know what it's like to be in a snowstorm. I hope one day you get to go to a place that has snow so you can experience snow for yourself.